Now, again, Vande Mataram is in news. Why? Because the central government has given this directive that all the 6 stanzas of Vande Mataram need to be sung during the official functions. Okay, so this has sparked the controversy in this respect. So this particular topic you can associate with GS paper 1, art and culture. So earlier, what was the scenario? Earlier, only 2 first stanzas were sung during a official function, but now the central government has given this directive that all the 6 stanzas of this national song, that is Vande Mataram, needs to be sung whenever we are having a official function. This has led to controversy. Now, let's just understand few things about this Vande Mataram. So, it was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee in 1875, and it first appeared in the novel Anand Math in 1882. So, this Anand Math is basically telling the story of the Sannyasi rebellion, okay, a series of armed uprising against the East India Company. Then Vande Mataram emerged as a major political slogan during the Swadeshi movement, and till end it guided the freedom struggle of India. Now, why there is a controversy with respect to singing all the stanzas? So, the controversy and the objections have been raised by the Muslim sections of the Indian society, because in the last stanzas, it basically shows the image of Mother India as goddess. Okay, we associated with Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati. But the problem is, when it comes to the Islamic religion, therein they strictly follow monotheism. That means, except Allah, they are not allowed to worship any other deity. Okay, so that is the reason the controversy is there. Although this is not relevant from your exam point of view, but what is important from our exam perspective is the prelim pointers related to this national song. So when it comes to this Vande Mataram, in 2025, it marked 150th anniversary. And when it comes to this Vande Mataram national song, it basically translates to Mother, I bow to thee. It was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and as I told you, it was first published in 1975 in a journal, Banga Darshan, and it later appeared in one of the novels of Bankim Chandra Chatterjee only, that is Anand Math, which talked about the Sannyasi rebellion. It was first sung by Rabindranath Tagore at the Calcutta session of the Congress in 1896. On this, you might get a prelims question, so pay attention. And during the Swadeshi movement, this slogan Vande Mataram was started to be used for the freedom struggle. Okay, so it became a prominent political slogan during that time. 1907, Madam Bhikaji Cama raised the tricolor flag for the first time outside India, that was in Berlin, and the word Vande Mataram was written on that flag. After independence, we designated Vande Mataram as our national song, and we adopted it on 24th January 1950. So, on this particular date, we gave this designation to Vande Mataram as the national song of India. Now, let's note down certain prelim pointers with respect to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee also. So, as we all know that he was basically the author of Vande Mataram, which is the national song of India. He was a prominent figure during the 19th century, and he played a remarkable role when it comes to intellectual and literary history of Bengal during that particular time. His notable work includes Anand Math, Durgesh Nandini, Kapil Kundala, Devi Chaudrani, which reflects the socio-cultural and moral concerns which were impacting the Indian society at that time. When it comes to Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, by giving this Vande Mataram song, he gave the country the vision of the motherland personified as the mother. That's all that we need to know with respect to this particular topic. Let's move on to the next topic.